If you're a member of MSC Voyagers Club and you are above the 10,000 points or you are already diamond, then there's good news for us. And especially if you are already above 25,000 points. So MSC is launching now the new level. Let's hear all about it. But spoiler alert, if you already traveled Yacht Club, you will not notice any benefit. Let's check the video. The usual discounts we get as diamond level are the same at blue diamond level. And yeah, blue diamond is the new level, which makes it a little bit confusing because the classic is already blue and there is already a diamond. So blue diamond, really? But okay, whatever, doesn't matter. I'm curious to what the color of the cards will be. Anyway, the discounts remain the same. Basically 10% discounts on laundry, 5% on voyages, the discounts on photographs is basically the same as you get for the diamond. And a lot of these discounts are already the same at gold and silver levels. Now, to climb the ladder, there is a little bit of bad news, is the onboard shopping, the onboard expenses no longer count towards the points you will be getting at. At least this is in what is in the leaked information. So if you want to get the extra points to get to the blue diamond level, which is at 25,000, do as much as onboard shopping as you can in your next cruises before the new level becomes available. Being a blue diamond level, at least you will get internet for free. The internet browse package. If you want to upgrade it, you get the usual discount of 10%. Blue diamond levels also get the anytime meal dinner. So it becomes a little bit like the Aura Spa mechanism where you have your own dining time. Whenever you want to go to the restaurant, you don't have to wait for your slotted time. As I mentioned, Yacht Club already have it, so no benefits there. The additional perks include basically two additional perks, which is when you want to drop off your luggage, you can go to the Yacht Club tent and drop your luggage there, being a blue diamond. And since you are there dropping the luggage, you can wait in the Yacht Club lounge before boarding to your cruise. I hope this information was useful and you were waiting for this fantastic new level. And if you enjoy the video, do subscribe the channel. I've got a lot of other stuff on cruising and particularly on MSC. So do join and check this other video where I try to compare the old diamond level with Yacht Club, which is getting slightly closer. Check the video.